Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 13 puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of the 13 puzzle is 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to arrange all metal balls in the domino holes. This puzzle has actually two challenges. The first one is to place all 13 metal balls on the bottom part of the puzzle. The second challenge is much more challenging, and I've started the video showing you the final solution of the second challenge. You have to place all 13 metal balls on top of black domino pieces, which is quite difficult since you have to put the metal balls on top of the black parts. You have to move them close to these wooden ramps. The balls will go up and then you have to place them on domino pieces. But there are a lot of obstacles inside the puzzle. When you are solving first challenge, the black domino pieces become obstacles and you have to avoid hitting them when you put the parts inside of the holes. But when you try to put the metal balls on top of the domino pieces, it becomes even more challenging, since if some of the balls trapped in these holes, it is not as easy to remove them, especially when there are already metal balls on top of the domino pieces. And if you shake the puzzle, you will ruin all the progress and you have to start from the very beginning. So it will be quite a difficult dexterity challenge. I'll reset the puzzle now so that you can see how the balls actually move inside the puzzle. And if you like this puzzle and you want to buy it and try to solve it by yourself, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you want to see my attempt to solve the puzzle, keep watching the video. I'll start with the simple challenge. It is not simple, but the one that is a little bit easier. I'll try to put all metal balls into the holes inside the on the bottom of the tray, like there are 3. But as you can see, the balls are trapped in the 13 cutout. That is quite difficult to remove them from that cutout. But I'll show you how to do that. I'll finish putting the balls inside of the holes here. Last one, please go there. Yeah, okay. Now the rest of the balls are in number 13. You can either shake gently or you can try to move the black domino pieces and they will hit the metal balls and you can easily remove them. But as you can see, black domino pieces also covering the holes on the bottom of the puzzle. So you have to kind of move them gently to the sides. As you can see, I move this to the side, but this one blocks the holes. So quite a difficult challenge here. So maybe I had to start from moving the black domino pieces and then try to put the parts, try to put the balls into the correct position. Okay, now all the black domino pieces are out. I think that I can try to fit the rest of the balls in the correct spots. And 3 are still in the middle. Either I can try to move this black piece. Yeah, okay, like that. Yeah, this ball is here. Now 2 more, I have to remove them. Be very careful, very gentle, if you don't want to ruin the whole progress. Okay. And the last one. Whew. Okay. That took me like 2 minutes to solve the first challenge. Quite a difficult one, but the next challenge is much more difficult. I'll try to solve it now. If I don't succeed, I can't promise that I will be able to solve it in this video, but I'll give it a try. At least I showed you at the very beginning that it is possible. You saw that it is possible to put all the metal pins on top of the domino parts. Yeah, as you can see, the balls are easily falling down, and it's not easy to put them in the correct spots on top of the domino parts. And they also trapped in these holes on the bottom of the frame. That makes it quite a challenge to remove them as well. Okay, I need 3 more to put to this domino piece. Okay, 2 more. Let's hope I can do that. That is so difficult. As you can see, they always fall down. Just one wrong move and the balls are rolling down and you have to start over. Oh no. And even trying to do like 2, 3 at a time, that doesn't really help. Let's hope I can put this one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Whew, okay. The last one in this domino piece. Once the balls are on top of the domino piece, they are kind of sit quite tight. If you don't shake the puzzle too hard, they will stay there for quite some time. Okay, now I have to move all the other metal balls out of the holes and put them on top of the next domino piece. Okay, let's start. I have just 2 that I can try to put on top. 1. Eee. 2. 5 more, but all of them are trapped. Oh, 1 is not trapped. Okay, let's try to put this one. Okay, 4 more. Let's hope. Oh, as you can see, they're trapped again. It's so easy to put them in one of those holes on the bottom. Maybe it will be easier for me to rotate it and put the black domino piece on the left. The ball went from number 3 to number 1. Okay, 2 are out. I just have to drop the black domino piece here. Okay. Oh, let's hope that I can put them on top. 1. Oh no. Two left. Okay, how to remove them from that part? That will be quite a challenge. 1 is out. Okay. Let's try to put it on top of the domino piece. No. Go back. Oh, almost. But almost doesn't count. I have to put it all the way. No! And it got trapped in the number 3. Okay. Almost. Oh, there are so many almost in this puzzle. And it got trapped again. Oh. Every move I do, I'm afraid that I can lose some of the balls on top of the domino piece, and I have to start over putting them back. No! Okay. Let's hope this is it. This is the final attempt. No, not the final attempt. Okay. Oh, only one left. Okay, I was able to free the last ball. Let's try to put it now where it belongs, on top of the black domino piece. Oh, done! Okay, that is the solution of the second challenge of the 13 puzzle. As you can see, all 13 balls are on top of both black domino pieces. That was very difficult to solve. If you like this puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.